I'm heading to Target. I had an appointment today, but it got canceled until March. So until then, yeah, I just got to Target. Doing another crock pot meal. Those are quick and easy. I was gonna go grocery shopping, but I'm not feeling the greatest, so no. So I'm just gonna go pick up something for dinner and then head back home. I'm back in the house. I'm about to do a little haul. I have to trash those. I'm about to do a little haul. I went to Target and I exchanged one gift that I purchased double of. I don't know how that happened, but and I picked up some stuff for dinner and stuff for baking cookies, because if you don't know, Destiny likes to bake. Christmas time, she loves baking. So I usually get her a whole bunch of stuff to bake. And then I'm gonna do a hot chocolate bar, a hot cocoa bar, because I do that every year because I'm extra. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I picked up at Target. Okay, so for my crock pot meal, I'm gonna put these meatballs in the crock pot. So I got 2 bags. So I'm gonna throw those in the crock pot around 1 o'clock-ish because they're already cooked. So that don't need to be on very long. And then I'm gonna put this brown gravy on there, and we're gonna have it with mashed potatoes. I like to combine all these mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna combine the baby reds with the sour cream and chives, and then roasted garlic, mashed potato, and probably have it with another side. I have a ton of vegetable in the fridge, in the freezer, frozen vegetable. So that's that. For my hot cocoa bar, actually I got these 2 bags. They were $1 for 2. And I feel like they're decent size. I have a bunch of tiny little gifts that I don't want to put in stockings, and I also don't want to wrap it. So I just picked up these little tiny bags, and this one is just December 5th. There was another one, but it was ripped, so the lady let me switch it out for 2 of these. So I just got this one. It was another pretty one, but it was damaged, so I was sad. But anyways, got that. And so that's for gift wrapping. For cookies, I got these bacon chips, peppermint crunch, and then I also got another one. Where is it? I guess I didn't get it. I did get it.
Yeah. No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
And then I got Hershey's Kisses. This is the hot cocoa one. You can put these in your hot cocoa. And I think they're like so stinking cute. It has the marshmallow on the inside. And then I love getting the varieties of these. You got the sugar cookies one, and then I just got the regular ones. I usually like to stuff these in stockings, whatever is left over from baking. I might go back and get some more to cook. I got a ton more, but these were 3 for $5 or 3 for $10. I'm not sure. I thought I got more of these. I think they were $1. No, they're $1.99. I thought I picked up more. I like to one special evening. I like to do hot cocoa and just let the kids go all out. I already picked up the whipped cream and stuff, but I need to go back and grab some more of those because I thought I guess I had put them back. I don't know. But I got their candy canes. I get them candy canes every year. It's like traditional. And then this year I got them the really big one instead of just like a box. So I'm pretty sure whenever time we do the hot cocoa, they can get these in their hot cocoa. So I got a ton. I only had cinnamon This the traditional peppermint, and they had frosted cookie or cookie frosted. They had a root beer one. I didn't like that one. And then for a hot cocoa bar, I went ahead and got these. I'm gonna stick them in a jar, and the kids can just use them whenever they make hot cocoa after our hot cocoa night, if that makes any sense. So I just got this one. This is the chocolate dip pretzel rods, and it has like little peanuts on it. This is just a drizzle. Yeah, so this is toffee crunch. That's just a drizzle, and this is peppermint. And then they had another one, and I forgot to pick it up. See, my brain was just not in the right place. I got the marshmallow, the big one, and then I got mini ones. For our cookie night, we're doing Iceland. We're doing gingerbread. So I just picked up 2 limited edition Betty Crocker gingerbread cookie mix. Picked up 2 of those, and then I did salted caramel. I thought I did 2 bags of this. I guess I gotta go back and my mind sometimes is just not where it needs to be. And then I picked up this guy for the buttons for the gingerbread, and then this for his little eyes and mouth and stuff. Hot cocoa 4. And then I got this for Maddie because she loves Lucky Charms. So I got her that. And then I got pretzels for our cookie night. We're going to put Hershey's on that. And that's going to be... Got a ton of flour for baking for Destiny and sugar. That way she don't run out no time soon. And I could have swore I picked up the other one. I guess not. I knew I had it. So I got this one, the bacon chips. So, yeah. Dinner's on the fire. Making some coffee because I need the energy. I don't know what's going on. Eating a big block of cheese because I'm so hungry. And I don't feel like eating no crap. What do you say? I can't find my mug. It's so packed in the stores. Like extremely packed in these stores. And with COVID, you're having to stay outside and wait. I was supposed to go to TJ Maxx to grab one more present for one more person on my list, and I'll be done with 1, 2, 3, 4 people. 5. Because I'm shopping for 6, right? And I saw the line. What is this? I saw the line. I kept on going. I was like, nope. Where's the cover to my Yeti cup?
I don't know.
Huh?
Probably in the
Who washed it? Why? When was it dirty? I don't like when they wash my stuff. I'm slowly working on my hot cocoa bar. So, the way in which I do it is one day out of the month, I'll pick a day for them to have hot cocoa, and then we'll pick a day to do cookies leading up to Christmas. And then Christmas Eve, we spend it as parents, come back on Christmas morning, open presents, whatever. So, I found this at Walmart. I hauled it. I remember I hauled it. This was $3 something. I put the hot cocoa in here. And I put the measuring spoon down in there. And this is good because it's airtight. I need to find another one that's airtight. I was going to use this, but it makes the marshmallow. Because I'm going to put the marshmallow in there. Sorry, I opened it up to give Maddie. I forgot it was open. But I was going to put the marshmallows in there. But I realized that last year they were hard. And there's nothing more nasty than hard marshmallows. So Anyways, I need to find a container that's airtight to put the marshmallows in. And I need to get regular candy cane before this is complete. And then I got, I'm gonna show y'all. I got the pre-packaged one that they can make starting today. They can make hot cocoa, but like my fancy hot cocoa night, I still, for my fancy hot cocoa night, I'm still missing a few things, so I have to run back to Target. I love Target Wonder Shop for hot cocoa stuff. They always have the cutest things. So I need to get a few more of these. I'm good on this because I got 5. And then I have a ton of these, so I don't need any more. I need some peppermint for this, and I need to put sprinkles in there. So I'm slowly working on it. I might go back. What's on my face? I might go back tomorrow. I have to take Destiny's phone to Sprint to get it fixed because it's not receiving service. Folder off today. Can't be done tomorrow. Great. Just picked up one of 4 packages that I'm working on. Yes, so I only have 3 more to go. I'm going to go stash this in my gift closet. It's a mess in here. Seriously. I'm waiting on 3 more items. I have gifts in here, under there, gift under here, up in there, up, and all these Rob's 2 main gifts are up there, and then I have gifts over there. I got gifts everywhere in my closet. I'm out of breath because I just ran up the stairs. So I'm waiting. That's Mr. Rob's gift that just came in. I'm waiting on 3. I'm waiting on Jaxson, Jordan, and Jaxson. 2 Jaxson, 1 Jordan. And then I'm done. All that's left is like tiny little stuff that I can grab. But all their main gifts and big gifts are purchased. And I'm feeling so content. Like I can actually relax now because everybody is done shopping for. I was collecting a little series for Maddie, and I was able to run to Target, and I'm using the fetch reward thing where you scan your thing, and I got a $10 gift card for Target, and I was able to use that to snag a $18 item for less than $8. So I was like, yeah, because it was on sale for $9.99, and then I had Target some reward thing because I had purchased a whole bunch of stuff, so I had like $1 something on my wallet thingy. You know when you go to Target and you have to scan your little barcode? I had $1 something off of that, and then I had a 10% off one item in store, and then it brought it down to like 7 something with taxes and stuff, and I was like, I walked out of there without paying any money at all whatsoever. So I was like, yes. So I completed all her little collection. Still have to put away my candles. I have to find a spot for them. And I'm still waiting for my crock pot to heat up. Like, it's been on for like an hour. Gotta switch over laundry. And Rob is supposed to be coming home early today. I have 1 kid still on Zoom, and I have to go drop off his work stuff today. His school, whatever he just completed, I have to go drop that off. And then I have to go take Destiny's phone to Sprint because it's not working. I said that already, right? But my gas tank is literally on like 30 miles to E. And I really don't want to put gas until Friday because Friday is payday. And the little bit of money that's in my account, I don't want to transfer anything over from savings. So I'm just like, can we please just work around my bank account, please? You finished your school?
Uh-huh.
Hey, Papa. Hey. Hey, my boyfriend. Hey, my boyfriend. Hey, handsome. Hey, my boyfriend.
Look at the camera.
Hey, my boyfriend.
Look at the camera.
Hey, my
Look
boyfriend.
at the camera. Look at the camera.
Hey, my boyfriend.
Look at the camera.
Hey, my boyfriend.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Y'all take him out?
Yes, I did.
When?
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime? Okay. All right. Hey, my boyfriend. Hey, my boyfriend. I know. Give me the tummy. Give me tummy. Give me tummy. Give me the tummy. Give me the tummy. Yuck. Attaboy. 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 Get him, boy. Get him, George. Get him, Pop. Get him, Pop. Get him, Pop. Get him, George. Here he goes.
Wait, look at his bed. Look at his bed.
Here he goes. Get the George. George. Who's at the door? Who's that? It's finished?
Uh-huh.
All right. Everything in here is completed.
Oh, yeah.
Everything. All right.
Wait.
To make it out because
Merry Christmas.
it's 3:23. Went to Target. Got all the kids to shop for their secret stuffer. Their secret stocking, whatever. And picked up a gift for Jackson's gift exchange. Gonna drop off his work and then head to Sprint and then go get gas and go home. Okay guys, so I was able to pick up these little I love these. They're $1. Love these. So I picked up 2 and then I found the rest of those little marshmallow things and then I got this Destiny found them hidden somewhere because they only had 1 in the display and Destiny found 3 hidden, so I'm done with the hot chocolate thing. Okay, so I thought this was a whole complete flop, but it's thickening up now. It looks so good. And then I'm gonna do this with mashed potato. And dinner is done. Dinner is done. So easy. So I wasn't able to go to Sprint to take Destiny phone in because for some reason I got back in the car and I just started feeling like really dizzy and lightheaded. And I was like, okay, it's time to go home. So probably, and I didn't even stop to get gas. We're gonna bake cookies tonight. I thought I didn't have a gingerbread man, but turned out I do have a gingerbread man. So we're gonna bake some gingerbread cookies tonight and decorate them early because Maddie's in her feelings because she wanted to open up a present of hers. And I'm like, no, you gotta wait till Christmas. So she was kind of sad. So I told her we could bake cookies tonight. That's what we're gonna do and finish out the evening. Rob is not here. Probably ain't gonna be here for another hour. But he told us that we could go ahead and eat dinner without him. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this and probably try to go get some Tylenol and go sit down somewhere because I'm tired. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.